pour the gravy on top of the paneer with little bit of butter and everything. When you make this way at your home, your family will go, Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. Today we're going to make stuffed paneer with the awesome makhani gravy. First we're going to take khoya. In this, add a little bit of salt and also add some nuts. You can add almonds, you can add cashew nut, all of them finely chopped, even kishmish. Mix all of this, and in this, add a little bit of cardamom powder. This will give a very nice flavor. Mix all of this because there is a kind of moisture that is there. You will be able to make them into small little dumplings, which we are going to do as a stuffing in the paneer. First mix this, make a small dumpling like this and keep it. Now the milk khoya dumplings are ready. We are going to stuff them along with the paneer. This is a grated paneer. Even this one, we are going to flavor it. But here we are going to add some chopped green chilli, add some garlic, little bit of garam masala. In this, add some salt. I think that should be good enough. Knead this entire thing well. In the paneer, add some corn flour. This will help for a good binding. And mix this, knead it well. If required, add few drops of water, and then we are going to stuff the khoya dumpling. And we are going to make this into dumpling the same way. But what we are going to do, we are going to take double the size of the dumpling, and we are going to stuff this dumpling inside this paneer. I have stuffed the inside and then just make it flat like this. It depends. Whatever you want, you can do it like this. Now this is ready. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on a flat tawa and let it cook. Take a brush, just apply some oil, take these dumplings, cook them on both sides till it is slightly golden. You have some small ones, some big ones. Cook it on both sides. So carefully transfer it into a plate and let them, rest. They are nice and soft. So these things, you do not put in the gravy and cook. Just before serving, pour the gravy on top and serve it. When you eat it, the nice paneer as well as the khoya, all the taste will hit you and you will thoroughly enjoy it. So this is all ready. Let's make the gravy. Add some oil. We're going to add some onion, add some salt, and let these onions slightly color. When the onions are slightly colored, add some cashew nut, add ginger garlic paste, some turmeric, and fry this for another 1 or 2 minutes. When the raw flavor is all gone, add tomatoes. Let it cook by adding some water and cook for at least 5 minutes with the lid on. The tomatoes are nice and soft. This is when add kashmiri chilli powder, add a little bit of coriander powder, and also if you want a little bit of garam masala powder in it, make sure you cook till this all slightly thickens. When the tomatoes are all mashed, put it in a blender and make it into a fine paste. Recently I have done the same gravy for the chicken also, and here what you do is add butter. In this, add kasoori methi powder along with the butter. This is the awesome aroma what you love in the butter chicken. In this, add the same sauce, the tomatoes gravy what we made. I just put it in a blender, made the puree of it, and that's it. Now this gives you a beautiful color, but usually in the hotels we do some cheating. So that cheating comes in form of tomato ketchup. So this tomato ketchup flavor, a lot of people just love it when I add it in the makhani gravy. In this, add a little bit of sugar. The sourness, another thing, it needs to cut. That's it. We're going to bring this to a boil and then we're going to adjust the salt. That's it. The kashmiri chilli powder, that was good enough spiciness, but this should not be too hot. Make it just right so that your kids, everybody can enjoy this. So bring this to a nice boil. Adjust the salt, and also we're going to add cream to this. When you add cream to this, never add cream directly into it. This is what we call as tempering. Tempering is bringing the cream to a point that it will not curdle. So what you do, take some of the gravy and put in this, mix it and pour the cream. This is what is a beautiful, full flavored makhani sauce. But one thing, whenever you have this makhani sauce, the little bit of smoky flavor. Nowadays you can get the smoky flavor in liquid form, just like few drops you add to this, it will give the smoky flavor. But we will do the charcoal method. Just burn the charcoal, then I am going to show you how to do this smoking. To give that smoky effect, take a hot charcoal, put it in a small container like this, pour in some butter or ghee, that will give a lot of smoke. Pour in. When the smoke comes, put the lid on And this smoke will give that nice flavor. You know what we often love in a nice butter chicken, because we add tandoori chicken. Even when we make paneer butter masala in the hotel, we use the tandoori paneer. That is when you get that smoky flavor. So this will give that smoky flavor. When you make this way at your home, your family will go, The butter sauce smoky flavor is ready, and just transfer the hot, this paneer kind of cutlets into a plate. Now you can pour the hot gravy on top of this. Look at this beautiful sauce. All you need to do is bring this here and now pour the gravy. You can also add this paneer directly into the gravy if you make it slightly bigger and round, but this one is very nice, soft and tender. So just pour the gravy on top of the paneer. This is ready to serve. The taste of this gravy is just amazing. Now I just want you guys to see how this paneer is nice and soft. And inside, look at the nuts and everything in this. That is what will make this very, very tasty. And with a little bit of butter and everything. So whenever somebody very special come and they are vegetarian, we make these kind of things. Just make this. The little bit of difficulty, but in the last minute while serving, make sure the paneer pieces don't break. And the gravy, as usual, with the smoky flavor, is just awesome. Keep cooking, eat best of the best food, keep saying Vahchef. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.